Hello and welcome to TIOmarkets. I'm John Knobel. I'm a professional trader and I'm here today to show you about moving averages. What is a moving average? Well, as a trader, we want to know if a market is trending higher or lower. So we find indicators that help us identify trends, and there's no greater indicator for help identifying trends than a moving average. And a moving average helps us answer the questions: are markets trending higher, markets trending lower? So the moving average is essentially it's a trend following tool which serves the purpose of providing a signal that a new trend has begun, or that an old trend is ending, or that a trend is about to reverse. So a moving average is a tool that can help us answer that question. So a moving average, it does not predict market action as price does. Price, as you know, is a leading indicator, and a moving average is a lagging indicator or a follower. So a moving average is a tool that it lags behind price. So if price is a leading indicator, moving averages are lagging indicators, and a moving average will follow price. So if we take a look at the chart we have here, we can see, let's just get that. We've got an issue here. One moment. So if this is price, and this is the average price over the last 10 days, you can see here that the 10-day simple moving average is behind price. So what purpose does the moving average then tell a trader? Well, it says that if price is above, it's higher than its 10-day average, well then that must be bullish for the asset. If price is below, as you can see from these points here, this must be bearish for the asset. So it's the moving averages do not they do provide us signals, but they provide us with lagging signals, or they provide us with a delay, and it's used as a confirmation to tell us if markets are trending or not. So a moving average, it's a method of calculating the value of an asset over a period of time. And you could adjust this. You could have 10 days, 20 days, 30-day moving averages. And on the MT4 platform, there's a great way where we could modify. So if you just, we could adjust this to, say, a 200-day moving average. And then here we can say that the magenta color here is price over the last 200 days above or below this period. Very nice how the 200-day moving average works. So the magenta line here, you can see that when price was below the 200-day moving average, it remained below. And then when price, look at the price action here. When price broke above the 200-day moving average and how the market reacted. So we can drill it down into a 10-day moving average. So let's delete this, or we could delete an indicator here, and then we can go into insert indicators. We're looking for trend, moving average. We can put a 10-day moving average. We can change the color here as well. And we can see the euro dollar 10-day moving average, and you can see very clearly how prices react when crossing above and when crossing below the moving average. So current price is in fact still above the 10-period moving average. There's a number of ways to use the moving average as to help you stay on the right side of the trend. And you've got the very short term, which could be 5 days. You've got the short term, which could be 25 days, and you've got the longer term, which could be 100 days. And then there's other systems that we can speak about, such as triple moving averages, when if you have 3 moving averages and you get a confirmation when price is above all 3 of the moving averages. As we can see here, we've got the moving average cross that gave us a signal or a confirmation. So if the magenta is, and with the moving averages, it's important to understand that the closer or the shorter time frame is going to be closest to current market price, and the further out we go, the further away or the slower moving averages will be from current market price. So as a rule here, we have the shorter moving averages are going to be closest to market price, while the longer or slower moving averages are going to be further away from prices. That's it for moving averages. Have a great day and good luck trading.